Hi, my name is Eva Reed Borden. I'm with the Arkitex Studio, and we're partnering this year with Habitat for Humanity on the Play Build. We think that architecture is something that everyone should have access to, and a home is exactly the place to start. We believe, as Habitat does, that affordable housing should be accessible to everyone. And we also believe that children should have a chance to be involved in this mission as well. So through Play Build, kids can get involved, help build a playhouse, and those are donated to the community. That opportunity, they have a chance to engage in the mission of Habitat. So as the Arkitex Studio, we're proud to be able to sponsor this event, and along with Stearns Design Build, to make this possible.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne, and I came here to give back to the community. My mom works at Stearns Design Build, and they come here and volunteer, so I thought it would be a great idea.
Building houses for kids, and I also like painting.